Well, we're back to the GSL.
We are.
This is part 3 of the 2019 GSL Model Car Championship.
Yes.
The finest and most robust, serious model car championship in the world, bar none.
That's right.
In our opinion.
Oh, yeah.
Which is not humble opinion at all. It's just our opinion.
Yeah, it's wonderful though.
And if you've been following along, we've already had 2 shows on that, so you kind of know what we're up to here.
Yes.
And every few weeks we put another one up. So check it out, part 3 of the GSL Model Car Championship.
Yes.
So we've been at the GSL Model Car Championship for the last 2 weeks. This is our 3rd and final show.
Wow, a lot to show.
Yeah, it's been great. They have this every 2 years in Salt Lake City, but the next one won't be for 3 years, and then they say that that will be the last one. They're discontinuing it.
Well, that's sad.
And this car, this Caterham Super 7, won top honors.
It's no surprise that it did.
Well, it's all scratch built, 100% scratch built. And look at the detail. Is that amazing?
That is totally amazing.
Wow. And I'm not sure how many entries they had, but oh, the room was just packed with all kinds of different models. And this motorcycle, this post-war era Harley, also walked away with a ton of master awards. Look at that.
And like I say, you could get on that and ride it away if it were big enough.
It's perfect. But when it comes to diversity, it's all here.
It sure is.
All these different scales, all these different subjects, and we've been covering them for the last 2 weeks, all of the different categories. But I thought we'd kind of just wander around the room here in the 3rd week to get a sense of some of these other cars that are here. Oh, and this is fun. A lot of people commented on this that it's actually a real truck. And it was covered in Jay Leno's garage. So here's a link to that. Now, I'm not sure if this is a taxi cab or a globe-trotting. What is that thing?
It looks like a child got a hold of it. What?
If it's a taxi cab, the last passenger ran into some trouble, I'm afraid. They're not looking too good, but what a fun model, in spite of the dead body in the back seat.
Oh, yeah, they could do without that one.
It's sort of a pirate with his keg. I don't know what that's all about, but it's fun. But like we were saying, diversity is the name of the game here. Just, if it's an automotive subject, you're going to find it here. Just so much fun. So many different cars, fun cars. And they had so many different categories. They had categories for kids as well.
That's always good.
That's always fun, but if whatever you built, they had a category for it. So everybody got to play, from the best to the newest.
Oh, that would be me.
But what we really wanted to show you this week are the race cars. Competition, road course, and oval, and the other category, drag strips, straight line racing. like drag racing?
Absolutely. You should have seen this when we come out of the school when school was out. All the teachers.
Yes, you and the other teachers were pretty notorious for that. Anyway, our next category is drag racing, and this has historically always been one of, if not the most robust categories in the entire contest. Check this out. And check this out. All of these turned parts, all these metal parts are actually machined aluminum.
Wow.
Custom wheels, custom frame, custom suspension, all of that scratch built. Beautiful work. GSL Model Car Championship, Part 3.
Wow.
And if all goes according to plan, which it never has yet, so I don't know why they'd start now, we'll be back here in 3 years.
There'll be other shows in the meantime, though.
There will be a few other shows. Yeah, we're not just going to lay off for 3 years. We're going to go chase some trains and some other toys and some foolishness and just generalized screwing around.
That's right.
But we will be back here in 3 years for the 2022 GSL Model Car Championship. So you have that to look forward to. Well, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, do pop on over to the channel and become a subscriber.
Right.
And the way to do both is with the blue button. Are we ready for it? Zoink! Blue button right there makes you a subscriber.
It does.
Well, we're not sure how you found this movie on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring. And we will see you here again on Tuesday as we screw around with some toys in the attic.
Yes.
We'll see you then. Bye-bye.